Hello everyone, it's Monika and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm coming to you with yet another project with Timeless Butterflies by Crafters Companion. It's a kit with 31 metal dies with 24 printable papers and one carrier sheet. As I showed you in the previous video, this kit has a lot of butterflies, and that's what I will be working with. And for this project I decided to also use this cutting die foliage and a vintage diary paper pad. So I've got the butterflies ready. I've got prepared some pieces, and as you can see from this die cut set, I'm using those two leaves and papers from the vintage diary collection. So let me put everything together. So I've got 10 fold 5 by 7 card base in white, and the first layer will be matte black and black card, also by Crafters Companion. So this is the first layer. Of course, I usually decrease every single layer by 5 millimeters. So this is how I work. And I actually used one sheet of paper from Vintage Diary. So because this paper is double-sided, as you can see, I'm using both sides. So first, on the top of that black matte card, I'm using this layer, and then I will put another layer, but using the other side of the same paper, of course decreasing by 5 millimeters. And now another layer. As you can see, this is the same paper, it's just the other side. I'm trying to prepare my all my elements for my cards whenever I create another tutorial. I hope this way will be better for everyone to see. For example, this panel I actually put together before switching on the camera, so the video can be actually slightly shorter, and I hope you will like it this way better. And I've got some, let me see if everything's straight, and I think I'm going to put this one flat, and I stamped happy birthday. I've got a flower ready. I think I forgot to switch on my hot glue gun, but I'm going to wait a little bit for that. So I think I'm going to put the flower like this, going to add the foliage, and then I will add those beautiful butterflies, because this is all about butterflies from this kit. So as you can see, I pre-cut a lot of them. Actually, I cut all butterflies, and I used 3 sheets from that kit. So this way I've got different butterflies, and if I want to use, for example, 2 of the same or 3 of the same, I don't have to worry that I haven't got enough. So I'm going for it. I'm placing this one here, and I'm going to add this sentiment happy birthday on the side slightly, so I will have enough space for my flower. And those leaves are cut from the same paper pad, Vintage Diary. I hope you know this collection. If not, I'm going to link everything below the video if it's available on the website, because I think it's quite old. Maybe it's older than a year, can't remember exactly. So I'm trying to shape in my hands just to raise a little bit of those leaves. I think I'm going to put it this way, a flower in the middle, And let me just, until my glue gun is ready, I will just see which butterflies, because they are, as you can see, in different colors. I like the green ones. I like the green and orange. There are so many different butterflies that it's really hard to pick the ones I like the most, but I will try to do it quickly. Okay, now I can add the flower. This one is a fabric flower, and I received this one from a friend, so but I kept it long enough and I think it's time to use it. So now I think I'm going to, I really love this green butterfly. That's another the same, and I think it's time to look for a smaller butterfly. I think this one would be nice as well, and I really want to place one on the top of my flower, just to show that it can be on the flower as well. Maybe this one. Going to place it over here just for a moment. To I need something which would be suitable for this color palette. I like this one as well. You see, it's decision time, and it's not that easy. No, I definitely need that one here. And maybe, I think yes, because I told you before that I wanted to do double layered. So I think this is the time to do it. So I'm going to shape this one, and then I'm going to place exactly the same. I hope you can see everything in this light. It's not easy, but I will try to show you. So this one will be, in this project I decided that I'm going to do double layered butterflies. Yeah, so this one, can you see the layers? Okay, so for now I'm going to put this one here, and it's easy once the glue will dry, then it's going to be easier to maneuver those petals. So let me find another one like that. I can see another smallish. I love this one as well. This is the same but smaller size, so definitely I'm going to use that one, but I just need to find those. I know that I cut out 3 sheets of from that set, so I should have it somewhere. Maybe this one as well. Just, yeah, I've got another one like that. Those are pretty as well. I can use those, and I'm looking for one of those as well. It must be here somewhere. Probably you've seen it, but I cannot see it now. Let's see. No, I can't see it. So maybe I will use those. I need some green ones. I think green butterflies would look nice on this project, or maybe this one. Yep. Maybe those small ones, they should be just single layered. Okay, I'm going to use this one. I'm going to use the other one, small one, and again I'm going to make it a little bit more dimensional. So I'm going to add this one here. There. I'm going to add those here. see. I think, yeah, let me do it. So the first one will go here, that pretty one. And then I think the other one should go here. It's not as big as the one at the bottom, but it's so pretty. I think I'm going to put this one here. Let me shape it a little bit. Yes, lots of pretty butterflies. Thinking about putting one maybe like this. What do you think? No, just too many green butterflies. I like this one as well. I like this one, but it would be nice to find another one like this so I can actually make it slightly more dimensional. I don't know why I can't find it. Yeah, okay, let me just shape it a little bit before. So this one will go here. This small one, another one here. And what am I going to do now? I think it's time to add a little bit of, again, some glitter glue inside. Just to add a little bit of more interest into this project. So let me show you exactly. Yeah, lots of pretty butterflies, and I'm thinking to add more gems. So going to add a little bit of glue. A little bit of glue just in case if they will decide to move a little bit. So as you can see, this project is quite sparkly, but that's what I like to do. That's how I create. So I hope you like this project. I'm still thinking to add a little bit more here, like, let me pause for a second. So I found those dry flowers which I loved using some time ago, and I haven't used them for a while, so I think it's time to use it again. So let me just put it here. Yeah, and I think it works because I was missing some things around the flowers, and I think it needed something. I was looking for stamens, but I couldn't find them, so let me use those. Even a ribbon or a bit of string would give a bit more dimension into this project, so I'm adding those. And I'm still thinking about a ribbon. Let me see. So I found this vintage ribbon, and I tied a bow, and then I think this one will be perfect for this project. It's because it looks a bit more vintagey, shabby chic, so I think this one will be perfect, and I like the way it looks. Of course, lots of butterflies, Lots of beautiful bits and pieces, sparkly bits, as which I love adding, and I think those layers looks really pretty on this project, so I'm happy with it, and I hope you like it as well. So let me know, what do you think about this project? Write me some comments, give me thumbs ups if you like it, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing so you can see more videos from me. So have a lovely evening, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.